In this example, we're being asked to work out 7/11 minus 2/33. Let's go on to the next slide to look at the solution to this. 11 and 33 will divide into 33, so we make this the denominator. 11 divides into 33 3 times, then we multiply by 7, which is the numerator. This subtraction is brought down to here. 33 divides into 33 once. We then multiply this by 2, which is the numerator. We can continue with the calculation. We can see the denominator is still 33, and we have 3 times 7, which is 21, minus 1 times 2, which is 2. This will equal 21 minus 2 is 19, and of course this will be divided by 33. So you can see we have 19 33s. Therefore we can write 7/11 minus 2 33s equals 19 33s.